If this video found you, your nervous system is ready to receive something here. Welcome back to your weekly energy report and EFT activation for April 17th through the 24th, 2026, or whenever this video found you. This week's energy isn't asking you to push harder. It's asking you to soften enough to hear yourself again. I think that the loudness of the world is kind of infringing on the listening of ourselves. So if you've been lying awake, maybe with some worries spinning up in your mind at 3 a.m. in the morning, or having like 5 coffees, but still feeling like you're moving through quicksand or a fog, or maybe you're snapping at people you love because your body feels like in overdrive, like you're an actual live wire. Or maybe you're craving rest, but you feel a little bit guilty for taking it. You know, I've had that struggle for a lot of my life. Or I just want to say that you're not going backwards, you're integrating energy. So if you stay until the end, I will reveal the oracle cards that basically guided me this week for this message. But first, let's help you and your nervous system remember what it feels like to feel safe within your body again. It's so important that we give ourselves the time and space with the energy of our lives and what's going on in the world. Whether or not you're super hyper focused on it, we all feel it. If you found this video, you're a highly sensitive being. Otherwise, you probably wouldn't be tapping on it or joining this video at all. Tapping into tap with me. So if you don't know about tapping or EFT, it stands for Emotional Freedom Technique. It's a gentle somatic practice that taps on meridian points that move you from stress, fight, flight, freeze back into homeostasis, coherent balance within the body. So you really don't need to know a whole lot. I am an EFT advanced practitioner. You just follow my lead. It doesn't have to be perfect. Your body already knows what to do. The cards just allow me to hone in on what the perfect message is for all of us for that linear time. So, what I would like you to do real quick is take a quick scan. Even if you have to close your eyes, that's fine. Sometimes closing our eyes allows us to see what's inside our body. And I want you to see if there's any tightness, tension, stress within the body. I want you to grab a crystal point if you have one. If not, your finger works fine. And imagine you're opening a portal or a cosmic gateway. I like to see it as an energetic recycling bin, or if you watched any of my previous videos, I talk about like the bank chutes that you shoot your deposits through. So this portal is opening counterclockwise. It might not look like that on the video. It might be backwards. So counterclockwise, we're opening this portal to receive any dense discordant energy, any stress, any fight, flight, freeze, any emotions, any energy that you have picked up along the way that's not yours. We invite in our angels, our archangels, our guardian angels, and healed ancestors, Archangel Michael, to keep us safe during this transformation and this transmission, asking our guides and even portal keepers that are used to helping the recycling of dense discordant energy to remove from us, our places and our spaces, and out to transmute into something that would rather serve the planet instead. And you can think about like what that would be for you. At the end, we will transform that and set the intention like it's going to be transformed into peace, harmony, balance, abundance with ease, so that nothing stays stuck in our body. It all leaves with every exhale. The intent is with every breath. Every exhale is sending that heavy, dense energy, discordant energy down to that portal. And our portal keepers are minding that everything goes in there so that it gets taken from our field, right? So I would like you to check in to see if there's any tension or stress or density within the body from 0 to 10. And if you gave it a number, what would it be? Just notice, no judgment exactly. It could be in your shoulders, it could be in your back, it could be in your legs or wherever in your body. It doesn't really matter. Just take note and give it a number. Then we're going to begin tapping with the energy medicine of the cards. If you stay till the end, I will reveal those to you. We're going to go to the karate chop point here on the side of the hand. Even though I feel a little overwhelmed, like I can't catch my breath as I take a deep breath, I invite you to as well. I deeply love and accept myself. If you heard that, that was my dog. She's dreaming. Eyebrow point. This overwhelm that I can't seem to catch up with life or seem to catch up in general. All of this overwhelm you might be feeling. Keep breathing throughout. If you have like sneezy, watery eyes, itchy nose, all that's normal release, side of the eye. Everything feels like it's just too much. Like how many of you guys feel like it's a little too much right now under the eye? My nervous system, it feels like it's a little on high alert. And I'm tired of feeling like this. And it feels a little heavy. And if you feel it, the heaviness in your body, you can name that. I just want to feel peace and easy, happy, joyful, right? Under the arm. Everything feels a little urgent. Like you're spinning a bunch of plates at once. So take a deep breath. Exhaling everything you're getting rid of down that portal, okay? Feel it leaving your body. I feel it. I don't know if you feel it. Let me know as well. It's just crazy. Like I feel it like waves, like whoa, 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 whoa. So like I feel like the angels are using their wings to like brush our aura. I mean, if anybody's out there attuned to Reiki healing, it feels like the angels are actually moving it down into our portal. So your overwhelm isn't failure. I just want you to know that Earth is one of the hardest schools there is. It's a spiritual school, and your psychic gifts are coming more online. The etheric realm is coming closer. Our DNA is expanding, and your heart chakra is open and receiving infinite love. So it could feel like loud or intense, like your body is tuning into maybe double or triple or even 10x the amount of radio stations it typically taps into. So just know that you're integrating, you're expanding all these new frequencies, your gifts. As you raise in your vibration, the what's open to you like expands your stations. So I'm being shown like a old radio with AM FM dial, and compared to the old radio where you're like tuning the dial just to get the right signal, now it's been upgraded to like, you know, Sirius where you have like 800 radio channels. So that's kind of what it is. Like even though like we're going to start tapping, even though like it seems a little overwhelming, I can trust my knowing now. Eyebrow point. I don't need to see the great big plan or the giant plan. I don't think our minds can handle the giant plan, honestly. Side of the eye. I just need to follow what lights me up and brings me joy and delight. Under the eye. And it's not my peace that's slowing me down. It's it's like the peace is the answer, really. The peace is my portal forward. Just follow along. Under the mouth. I have all of the power and the creator of divine consciousness within me. Collarbone. I serve the world by being more of me and being who I am. Under the arm. Clarity comes through my calmness, through regulating my nervous system. Top of the head. I choose joy as the frequency medicine. Taking a deep breath, sending down any discordant energy, letting joy and delight fill up every cell of your body. I feel it like pushing down any dense or discordant energy down in the portal, and then receiving, asking joy and delight to fill the body and the cells within the body. Okay, so we're going to go back to the eyebrow point. This round is for expansion. I give myself permission to expand with ease and grace. I give myself permission to expand with ease and grace. Side of the eye. As big as my energy wants to be. Please let your energy be as big as it wants to be. I don't have to dim my light. I'm hearing like, let your freak flag fly under the nose. My gifts aren't too bold. Under the lip, they're exactly what someone needs, right? They're praying for you. Like, if you let your freak flag fly, your tribe can find you. Otherwise, they don't know where you're at and they're looking for you. Collarbone. I trust what feels peaceful over productive. Under the arm, I create from joy, not pressure. I create from joy, not pressure. Woo, that's a big one for me. I know that. Keep breathing. Top of the head. I am the frequency of joy and delight. Owning that, guys. Say that out loud. I am the frequency of joy and delight. And let that fill up your cells. It feels effervescent. Taking a deep breath. Sending any last density and heaviness down through your portal. Feeling the angel wings brush anything down with their feathers, clearing our fields, our places, our bodies, all of the bodies, right? And then we're going to close that portal clockwise on the floor. If you're backwards on the screen, I just wanted to say we're closing this portal. We're thanking our guides, our ascended masters, our ascended ancestors and healed ancestors, our angels or angelics, and also like notice in your body like how you feel, what shifted, where's that tension and stress at now, and from 0 to 10, what would it be? Okay, I like to put a hatch over it, and I thank my guides, guardians, angels, those that assisted us from shifting any density out of our places and spaces and down to be transmuted into peace, love, harmony, balance, ease, grace, joy, abundance for all, and the highest and best good. So be it, so it is. Okay, so we're going to talk about the cards. We have Stillbite, which is your nervous system love letter, heart chakra and crown chakra bliss, clarity, peace, and dreaming. Then we have the halls of learning. This is spiritual school. It's not punishment. This is like earth school. This is what we came for. This is what we signed up for. Not only did we choose to come here, we were chosen to be here. Then we have cosmic gateway. Peace opens up new doorways, the cosmic gateway. And then we're all on a double mission here. Being authentically you. Lightworker, starseed, serve the world by being who you are. Archangel Michael came forward with the Angels of Atlantis. Your spiritual sovereignty throne awaits. I am presence. Radical expansion came through the deck of Beyond Lemuria. You have the permission to be as big as you are. Radical expansion. And then delight came forward for the frequency medicine. I want you to feel the sacred geometry of this card. These cards are describing the exact journey of what we all are on right now, going from overwhelm to empowered joy and delight. So this supports your capacity to create and experience feelings of intense joy and happiness. This card, the more you feel this card, the more delight you will, the more you feel delight, the more delight you'll invoke with others. So I would like you to comment below if you're stayed here this whole time. Thank you. And comment below, peace is my portal. And if you need a reason to choose you, I'm going to drop a link in the comments below for a accountability challenge that I joined called Chosen. And I adore this group so much because they all celebrate you for choosing you. And if you're the one that puts everybody else's needs first and you need accountability buddies to keep you on track and remind you of your power, I will post the link below for Chosen. It's led by Courtney Kairos in Zero, which is also known as Source Consciousness from the Divinely Aligned channel. And I just love this group so much. There's zero spiritual ego. Everybody's completely rooting each other on. There are some powerful beings in this group, and there's zero, like, you don't have to worry about like keeping yourself guarded anymore. I love it so much. So trust what feels light over what feels heavy. Your nervous system knows the way home. If this resonated with you, please subscribe or share it with anyone you know that needs it. And also, write in the comments, peace is your portal, but also what shifted for you. I would love to know if you dropped it in the comments below. I'm trying to think if there's anything else I got to remember. If you need to work with me or you need to work intensely or individually with me, I have offers in all the details below. Come back as often as you need to. Until next time, I think that's it. Bye, loves, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye bye.